Hello everyone, welcome to the Advanced Algorithm Scripting Challenges from FreeCodeCamp. So today we have Roman numeral converter. We have to basically convert Roman numerals into Arabic numerals, so into numbers that we, in English, that we understand. I already have the solution here. It's a working solution. It's basically a conversion table. Then I added this comma is because I want to add more variables. Another variable is the Roman numerals, and then we have an iterator. Then inside of this loop, this is a for in loop, which is for every entry in this conversion. If the number, so this input, is greater or equal to the value of the current entry of the conversion table, then we're going to add that to the Roman variable, which is for now an empty string, but we're going to add that so that we have it here. By the way, I said a mistake in the beginning. It's not converting Roman numerals into Arabic numerals, it's the other way around. That's why we have it here. Do not be confused. It's to add, if we have an x, then we add it there, another x, and then a v and an I. So then we go like, we subtract the current value of the conversion table from the num input, because otherwise it would go on forever. Afterwards we return Roman, so we return basically the string that we built, and that's how it looks like for 36. Then we have, for example, 2021. That would be like this. Running the tests, we get that it passes. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments down below, and I will be glad to answer them. Please leave a like and subscribe, it helps a lot to grow the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.